everyone! Welcome! Today, we're diving into an important topic in Azure Storage, creating a Shared Access Signature, or SAS token. Think of a SAS token as a special, temporary key that grants limited access to your storage resources. It's incredibly useful for securely sharing files or giving applications controlled access without exposing your main storage account keys. This means you can grant specific permissions, like read-only access to a particular file, for a set duration, then the access automatically expires. First, let's understand what a SAS token really is. It's a URI that includes a query string containing all the information needed to authenticate a request to Azure Storage. You can define what type of resource someone can access, such as a blob, a container, or even an entire file share. You can also specify the exact permissions they have, like read, write, delete, or list. Crucially, you can set a start time and an expiry time for the token, making it very secure. There are a few types of SAS tokens, including User Delegation SAS, Service SAS, and Account SAS, each suited for different scenarios, but the core concept of controlled access remains the same. Now, let's walk through the steps to create a Service SAS token using the Azure Portal, which is a common and straightforward method. To begin, log into your Azure Portal account. Once you're in, navigate to your specific storage account. From there, look for containers under the Data Storage section in the left-hand menu. Select the particular container for which you want to generate the SAS token. You can click on the three dots next to the container name or select the container and then find the Generate SAS option in the top toolbar. This will open a blade where you can configure your SAS token. Here, you'll define the allowed services, which in our case will be blob. Then, choose the allowed resource types. You can select container and object to allow access to the container itself and the blobs within it. Next, set the allowed permissions. For example, if you only want to allow people to view files, you'd select Read. If they need to list the files in the container, select List as well. This is a critical security step, so only grant the minimum necessary permissions. After that, set the start and expiry date time. Always make the expiry time as short as possible for security best practices. You can also optionally restrict access to specific allowed IP addresses for an extra layer of security and enforce allowed protocols to HTTPS only, which is highly recommended. Once all your settings are configured, click the Generate SAS Token and URL button at the bottom. The portal will then display the SAS token string and the full SAS URL. Copy these values carefully. You can now share the full SAS URL, and anyone with it will have the specific, time-limited access you define to your storage resource. This is a powerful way to manage access without compromising your main storage account keys. That's how you create a Shared Access Signature token in Azure Storage. It's a fundamental tool for managing secure, temporary access to your data. Remember to always apply the principle of least privilege, granting only the necessary permissions for the shortest possible duration. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a like to support the channel. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or tips to share. Don't forget to share this video with anyone who might benefit from it, and consider subscribing for more useful content like this. See you next time.